In this video, we will introduce the installation steps of the FX7 unit. Installation preparation. First, get the accessories from the FX7 kit ready, then remove the inner padding from the helmet to prepare for installation. Mount installation. Get the clamp and the metal clip ready. Insert the clamp into the left edge of the helmet and adjust it to the proper position. Get the 3M tape clamp ready. First, find the right spot on the helmet. Take a clean cloth and wipe the left side of the helmet where the clamp will be placed. Peel off the backing paper from the 3M tape clamp. Firmly stick the 3M tape clamp onto the left side of the helmet and leave it for 4 hours to set. Speaker installation. Get the speakers and Velcro ready. First, locate the reserve speaker slot inside the helmet. Peel off the backing from the speaker's Velcro and attach it to the speaker recesses on both sides. Place the left side speaker into the left side recess to secure it in the helmet's speaker recess. Place the right side speaker into the right side recess to secure it in the helmet's speaker recess. Microphone installation. Get the button microphone and its Velcro ready. First, peel off the sticker on the back of the button tube mix Velcro and stick it inside the helmet in the right spot. Then, attach the button tube mic to the Velcro and secure it in the correct spot inside the helmet. Get the hard tube microphone and its Velcro ready. First, peel off the sticker on the back of the hard tube mix Velcro and stick it inside the helmet in the right spot. Then attach the hard tube mic to the Velcro and secure it in the correct spot inside the helmet. Unit installation. Get the FX7 unit and adapter cable ready. Connect the microphone and speaker interfaces to the adapter cable, organize the wires, and reinstall the helmet's inner padding. Insert the FX7 unit into the mount, then plug the headphone connector into the FX7, and the installation is complete. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 unit installation. Thanks for watching.